Well, hello there, kiddos. How are you? I hope you're doing well. As you can see, I'm still in my workout clothes. I did get my exercise in today, and I hope you did too. I posted a kids workout video for you yesterday, in case you didn't see that. I didn't put it in the assignments. It's down on the tab that says stream. You might have to scroll down a little bit. Check it out. Kind of fun, just something for you to do and get your body moving. I wanted to check in with you today and talk a little bit more about metric capacity or volume measurement, meaning how much something holds inside of it. Typically liquids is what we're talking about. And so I rated my kitchen a bit. The other day when I made our video with Jonah, I did not have any pop in the house because I've told you before, we don't really buy pop in my house, but Mr. Lentz went to the store a couple days ago. Yup. And he came home with this. So these are those big ones, right? You can see how big it is in my hand. We usually call these a 2-liter. There's your measurement, 2 liters inside this bottle. So about half of it, maybe a little more than what you can see is left in here, maybe a little more than that would be the 1 liter mark. Okay, so that's a good estimate, kind of a good checkpoint to have in your brain about how big a liter is. Half of one of these, because we call this a 2-liter bottle. And it says 2 liters right on the label. 2 liters right there, okay? Now it does have other units of measurement on here because metric is not the only way of measuring. I'm sure you've heard of cups, pints, quarts, and gallons. And so that's called our customary units of measurement. That's what we usually use here in the United States. But as your videos have been teaching you, most of the rest of the world uses the metric units. So here in the United States, we do kind of have to learn both. Okay, so that's a good checkpoint for you to kind of have in your brain and think about. As I was raiding through my fridge, I found a couple other things I wanted to share with you. So here's your bottle of ranch, right? Emma likes to dip her veggies in this. And if we look at the measurements on the front of this, you're going to see 3 different units on here. I think first we've got fluid ounces, then we've got pints. These are ways of measuring in the customary unit of measurement. And listed last there, we see milliliters. And I think this one says 473 milliliters. So remember, milliliters are the itty-bitty drops, right? So that would be 473 of these in here. So it's a high number because the unit is so tiny, okay? One last example for you because I think you're probably really familiar with this one. This is a gallon of milk, the big jug. Hope Noah's not looking for this right now. He drinks this constantly. So 1 gallon is our customary unit that we're used to using here in the United States. But if you look closely at the label, see if I can get it in the camera there, it says 3.78 liters. So this is almost twice as much as this. Okay, twice as much milk as this one, because this is only 2 liters, right? And this is almost 4 liters. So those are some good estimates around your kitchen. So here's your challenge for today. A little scavenger hunt for you. I want you to head into your kitchen and I want you to look at labels. I want you to read the labels on the different things in your fridge or on your shelf or in your cupboard, and I want you to find something that gives a measurement with milliliters or liters, and I want you to list that in the comments underneath this video. That's how I'm gonna know that you watched the video and that you went on your scavenger hunt, okay? So go and find something and type it out for me. Tell me, Mrs. Lentz, I found blah, 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 and it is blah, blah, blah milliliters, okay? So something measured in milliliters or liters in the comments below our video. That can be your review of those units, okay? The next video you're going to see from me, I'm going to record right after this one. It's going to be an introduction to metric mass or weight. We've talked about that in science, how those are very closely related. As you get older, you'll learn they are a little bit different, but we're going to talk about those today, and those units will be grams and kilograms. Okay, so go on your scavenger hunt, find those liters and milliliters, post it in the comments below.